Hey, can I see your phone?
0831. Instagram messages in the bottom left corner.
Your password is mine.
Yeah, it's your birthday. Cute, isn't it? Take your time. Alright, I love you, mama. Okay.
Who you on the phone with?
My mom?
Oh, tell her I say hey.
You tell her yourself. She loves talking to you. You know that.
Hello? Hey, mama.
My two queens bonded. Yo, look at my baby. Oh my God, she's so beautiful. And no, ladies, I do not cheat. Stay on my DM. I'm so low, I couldn't even spell the word cheat if I wanted to. C-H-A-T. See, the low TV just won't let me do it. You ever been to a 5-star restaurant, my love?
No, I actually haven't.
Oh, wow. I didn't expect that. Well, there's a first time for everything. Buckle up. I'm finna get ready for date night with the queen.
Go put your shirt on.
I'm going.
Stop.
Ooh, man, what you doing? Oh, you think you Mike Tyson? What you trying to do? I promise you I'll work your
What's up?
What's up?
Y'all, look at what this boy got me today. It's so sweet. You're always so sweet to me, and I truly love you for that.